from the Dolomites. We have just left Lago de Braus. Great little town called, what was it called?
Brunic?
Brunic. Yeah, but in Italian it's Brunico.
But actually not sure.
Yeah, their little town called Brunic was incredible if you're up north in the mountains. We are now on our way to Ortisei. Ortisei. We filled up our water at a random city camping section earlier. We've got 60 odd litres of water. We're going to park up in Ortisei. Ortisei. It just doesn't compute in my English brain to say it in that order with that like Ortisei. See? Vamos! And we're going to park up, have a shower, refresh, and then fingers crossed get on the funicular all the way up to Seceda and have a little mooch about and enjoy the scenes. I see it. I see the top of it.
Holy sexy. Wait.
It's just so pretty. It's unlike rocks I've ever seen anywhere in my whole entire life. Is that a water fountain?
Is it actually?
It's just up here on the right. Better. Right, we are now in Ortisei?
Yeah.
Ortisei. But awkwardly this now says La Gardena. So we are here and we're gonna get the cable up. No, sorry. Where are we? I don't know.
Where are we going? We're going here. Right? This is Seceda. The view is that way, no?
Yeah, where are we though?
We are.
We're there.
It should be this that we take, no?
See?
And the restaurants. I'm talking out me ass.
No, that's probably it. We'll get out there
And
we'll ask the adults. Seceda. That's where we want to go. Wonder if we can. Yeah, we should be okay to just go up here.
It smells like feet. Sweaty ski feet.
It does.
You know what this reminds me of? When I was younger, my parents would always make me, you know how in roller coasters there's like designated sections for like to leave your children? I was scared of roller coasters. But that little section is like right when you're about to get on the ride, so I would always feel like they're tricking me because they did it before. Like, we're not leaving, you're coming on the roller coaster with us, and I was like,
then
hell no. That's what I feel like right now, like Jack's tricking me and we're gonna go skiing.
I'm not. I promise I won't take you.
Oh my
Jules has some PTSD around skiing from when she was younger. We won't go into details about it.
When he met my dad gave him the whole spiel about my frozen boogers and how bad they had to carry me down the...
They had to carry her down the mountain, basically. She refused.
I was like 3.
Make sure your trousers don't get caught on these. This is why I look at you like Starfield.
The train guy.
But I'm so jealous.
Of the ski? But why don't you ski and not stay up? I used to do that with my dad. My siblings would go ski and I would stay with my dad and we would have a hot chocolate. No, I swear.
On the gap. Me and Albie were sitting here on these benches when we came last.
It's not good at all. It's so nice. Okay, sick.
little beer and a schnitzel.
Oh yeah, a beer. Yeah, or my eyelashes are wet.
Hello. Hi.
Sprechen Sie
Deutsch?
Sì, e io sul menu e la cosa.
Grazie.
Birra?
That's
I'll try.
Capita.
Yeah. The man tried giving me the beer, and I was like,
split the M, split the M.
so bad. Vivo it.
You know the rules.
I think we planned it perfectly as well. So while we're eating, basically, what I was trying to say before I was rudely interrupted by one of the greatest songs ever created. While we're eating, the clouds over Seceda themselves are lifting. So by the time we finished our meal, it's going to be a perfect sight for sunset. You can even see the top. What are you going for?
Wurstel with French fries.
Which is sausage?
Sausage with French fries.
I'm going to get ham, egg and chips.
Sì, per favore.
Perfetto, posto?
Sì. Grazie.
That means like burger.
You ordered me already.
See? Girl, I got you, baby.
So remember in last week's video I was telling you about my anxieties about eating abroad. They can't guarantee any cross-contamination and they think it's just seed oil. When I was in America they were like, peanut oil. So I've just had some of my potatoes and now I've got to wait 5 minutes just to make sure I don't have a reaction. And I'd rather see with a little bit of food compared to a lot of food and just scoff it down. So now I've got 3 more minutes. See if I have a reaction. If not, I'm going to eat slowly and hopefully enjoy my meal. And Jules is refusing to eat because of...
He waits, I wait.
It is annoying, but it might save my life. Looks good though. Look at the eggs.
Really good.
There's a really good viewpoint on the other side of this bit as well. So this is my second time up to Seceda. Last time I came was the 23rd of October 2022.
23rd of October?
23rd of October.
Oh, you went on my birthday for me?
Without you. Me and Albie. So, yeah, it was real different back then. I love the Italians, they just jump on a snowmobile smoking a ciggy.
Look at the view.
My hands are fucking freezing! Your hands cold?
Not really, not really.
Oh god, you make me look like a bitch. So we're just walking up to the viewpoint now. The weather is a bit hit and miss. It's super cloudy and stormy looking over there. But that's fine, because it's not here. And you can see the sun's breaking on this side. You won't be able to stop. Fucking look at this. So right now I'm faking some shots because I'm making a video for my backpack company. Red. Behind the scenes. How'd you feel at the altitude? Baby, I'm Mexican, I'm from Mexico City. This isn't even, a quarter of how high we are.
A little there.
Feel comfortable, feel happy?
See.
Feel safe?
I would hold your hand, but I'm too cold.
Oh, so right, so your hands are cold. We got a big old walk up still.
It's my techie gear that keeps me warm. And he wasn't prepped. It's my refrigerator.
I'm fucking prepped, bruv.
My techie gear from the thrift.
Yeah, you got that really cheap as well, didn't you?
25 bucks.
What, this?
Yeah.
Nice. Wow, look, the clouds are coming over. Actual Seceda. this way. We're at the fucking top of the mountain. Can't ski or snowboard down, so we got to get the funicular. I mean, look at the visibility from where this is.
So I don't know how steep something is. I don't know if something goes up. Do you get what I'm saying? Flat.
You want me to lead? It's so weird walking on this because of like the clouds are covering the sun. There's no real shadow, so you can't really look at like the gradient of things. So we've just found our way back on like the packed pisty bit that we're gonna walk. But I mean, look at that cloud coming in, man. We gotta get down. Sharpish. Oh, that's the sickest thing of my life. Actually, the fucking coolest thing I've ever happened to me in my life. Look at it going down the mountain. Oh man. I hope the person in there is okay. That's yeah. Fucking. Now look at this place. Look at it. Instantly changes. This place is one of the best places in the world. I just want to sit.
You want to sit for a little bit?
Oh yeah, can we sit?
Yeah.
He's showing me his butt.
He's gonna poop right here.
Oh, I think that's a funicular coming up. We just missed it. It's the slowest zoom in the world.
Don't
You look pretty.
Thank you, baby.
So yeah, now we gotta wait. I don't know how long, but we could be waiting in worse places. Right. I always start the videos by saying right. You guys start doing it too.
Right.
We're just landing back down Ortisei. And now we're gonna try and find some food, charge some stuff because a lot of stuff in our van isn't working how we wanted it to. So we either need to book an Airbnb or figure it out. We need to sort that out now, and neither of our phones are charged properly, so all stuff we have to worry about. Now, you have fun?
So the best day of my life.
She says that a lot.
Every day is the best day of my life.
What up, Fud? Great. Great. Just a little update. We found a place to shower. That was the last bit we left, right?
I think so.
Coming down the gondola. Found a nice place to shower, and now we're walking around Ortisei to try and find a place to eat because we're hungry. But most importantly, we need a place that's going to let us charge all of our electrical equipment because it's not letting us charge it in the van properly. and I haven't brought USB stuff. In the van it's still USB old school. All of my stuff now is USB-C. We're going to try and find a nice place that's going to let us eat, chill out and charge all of our shit. Okay, so we're in the restaurant now and they have a table with an outlet, but it's behind me on my left. And the people on there haven't spoken a single word since we've got here. I don't know if their date's going well. So we're not going to interrupt. So we're just going to politely wait for them to leave and then hopefully jump on their table. But the food looks great here. They do steak, like steak tartars. How's she going? Culture.
I hope people know what I'm talking about.
It is good.
The peripheral is crazy. Ask him if we can switch.
Okay, so our plan didn't work. We're now having a coffee, or Jules having a coffee, while we charge all of our stuff in a random hotel. We asked how much it was for a room, and they said 170, and we were like, nah, it's not worth it. Now we are currently charging all of our equipment for the next hour or so in a random hotel. We are sat in the kids area of a random hotel on the Austrian-Italian border because of we can't charge any of our stuff properly in the van because of we don't have USBs. We only have USB to USB-C or USB-C to USB or Lightning charger. So we're currently sitting here charging everything. Jules bought coffee that she's probably not going to eat. The man was lovely upstairs. We asked for a room, but it was 170 euros, and we were like, we just have a coffee and just sit here. So that's what we're doing. It's probably best we end day 2. Is it day 2 or day 3?
Day 2.
It's day 2. Day 2 here. If you've liked today's video, obviously like the video. Subscribe if you're not, because 65% of you still haven't. Hit the bell icon if you want to be notified of the next video, which will be next Sunday. And comment something lovely down there. Love you, bye.